This is Shay Duffy with Worley and Associates, and I'm standing in front of 26903 Boeing Lane in Shell Knob. So this is a cute 2-bed, 2-bath home. It is a manufactured home, but it has a lot of character. I can't wait to show you the inside. Just to give you the lay of the land, there are no neighbors down there. Most of this neighborhood looks to be second homes, but everything's maintained nicely. Nice blacktop road and gravel as you pull in. We do have a newer AC unit there. This has a metal roof. All kind of, well, there's all these cars in there. We've got newer windows on this side. Also have a nice shed with electric. Got their good size side-by-side parked in there and then some. This is priced at $125,000, and that includes a 10x24 boat slip, which is just down the road. There's a septic tank, which has been inspected recently and looks good. Take a walk down this hill to show the back. Got a little fire pit. There's a lake, and when they said in the winter, you can actually see the boat slip and see your boat. When I get up on the deck, you'll see it's actually a pretty nice view. Here's the back side of the house. Deck is on piers. The piers are in concrete, so that's good. Looks like it's been well maintained. I think I'll start by going in the front door, and then we'll look around and go on the back deck at the end. They believe it was built in the early 70s. It's been added onto and just had some updates and just been well maintained. It's got an open concept, the kitchen into the dining and living room. Again, it's been very well maintained. It does come mostly furnished. We've got a bedroom back there. It's 2.5 bath. This bedroom has the half bath. And the full bath is right outside the other bedroom. So it's just decorated really cute. I don't see stains or leaks, signs of leaking. Of course, I always tell everyone to get a home inspection. Carpet looks to be in good shape. Smells good in here. Okay, here's the living area. This is an addition. Lots of natural light. Now these windows are a little fogged, which is unfortunate because you can see the lake. but that can be fixed. Said the furnace has been updated recently. Nice big bathroom here. Full bathroom. Got that onyx countertop. There's another door out to the deck. Washer and dryer is included. I mean, you just need to bring your toothbrush and your clothes, and that's it. This is what they're using as the master bedroom. It's got quite a bit of storage and a little desk. Okay, now we've got a covered back deck here. The outdoor furniture stays. Nice big covered deck with a beautiful view of the lake. I don't think my camera does it justice. Like they said, once the trees are a little more bare, you can even see your boat slip in your boat. Nobody behind you. And the deck is pretty good size too. Feels good, doesn't feel wobbly or anything when I'm walking on it. Oh, might need a little TLC here and there, but all in all, it's been well maintained and in good shape. And they're even gonna leave the grill. Okay, and then there's that shed.